So it's Saturday, July 3rd, 2021. And this week was a big week because they finished off this road and they opened up both lanes. And then now they're finishing off the last section there on the side of the road, which funnels water off of the berm, the shorter berm. And at the end of this week, they really focused on moving the booster 3 and stacking the 7th section of the tower. So they haven't done much. Once they started focusing on that toward the end of the week, they didn't do much with this entrance here. They did move the large crane, which was parked over there, just in front of these tanks. They moved it across this area, so they set that wood down to drive the large yellow crane over this section here. So that's why they put that wood there, and maybe that's why they prepared this also, this entrance area. But I call it an entrance area. But they needed to do that to roll the big crane out over there. Also, this week was Elon's 50th birthday. So a lot of things were coming together, and they also finished the last segment of the orbital launch pad there with the 6th crossbeam this week. So a lot of things happened this week. There's working on some piping here. We'll see what happens on this end. And it was a good week.